Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of electric ATVs with the Droid Fury. This isn't just any ride-on toy, it's designed to give kids a taste of real off-roading experience. I'm excited to share my thoughts after putting it through its paces. First off, let's talk about the design of the Droid Fury. It's a compact quad measuring 40 by 24 by 24 inches. Equipped with 4 pneumatic tubeless wheels that handle various terrains like blacktop, dirt, and grass. While it's not a true 4x4, it handles surprisingly well on most surfaces. One thing I really liked is how it comes mostly assembled out of the box. Setting it up was a breeze. Just attach the handlebars, insert the flag, and peel off the protective skins. The build quality feels solid, with a sturdy frame and a sleek design that kids will love. Now, let's talk performance. Powered by a 36V lithium-ion battery and a 500W brushless motor, the Droid Fury packs a punch. It can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, which is quite impressive for a kid's ATV. The variable speed lock is a great feature, allowing you to adjust speeds for different skill levels. During testing, it handled well on grass and dirt paths, thanks to its dual suspension system. It's not meant for sandy terrain, though sand proved to be a challenge, which is typical for these types of vehicles. Battery life is always crucial, especially with electric vehicles. The Droid Fury didn't disappoint here. From a full charge, we managed over 90 minutes of continuous use, which is well above its advertised time. Recharging takes around 5 hours, so it's good to plan ahead for longer play sessions. So, is the Droid Fury worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for an ATV that's closer to the real deal for your kids. It's priced competitively compared to similar models on the market, offering strong performance and durability. Overall, the Droid Fury impressed me with its performance and build quality. It's a fantastic choice if you want to introduce your kids to the thrill of off-roading in a safe and controlled manner. That wraps up our review of the Droid Fury. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.